Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Here we have question 4 given in page number 91 of chapter 5 exploring mixtures and their separations. Here the question is solve the following problems. The first one, a cake recipe uses dry ingredients namely 75 gram sugar for 420 gram of all purpose flour and 5 gram of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Express the concentration of each component in the mixture using appropriate method. The second one is a brass alloy contains 70% copper by mass. Calculate the quantities of copper and zinc present in 120 gram of brass. So let us solve this first part question. Here the first part of the question is about cake recipe. So the question is given that a cake recipe uses dry ingredients namely 75 grams sugar. The amount of sugar is given as 75 gram for 420 gram of all purpose flour. So the all purpose flour is given as 420 gram and 5 gram of sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is your baking soda. Now they are saying that express the concentration of each component in the mixture in appropriate by using appropriate method. So we have to find the concentration of components. So we will calculate in terms of mass by mass percentage of each component. So the first one is mass by mass percentage of sugar. So mass of sugar is 75 gram divided by mass of solution. So it will be, solution means complete mixture, it is 75 gram plus 420 gram plus 5 gram. So 420 plus 80, it is 500 gram. So here it is mass of solution 500 gram multiply 100. 100 1 ja 100 5 ja 5 1 ja 5, here 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25. Gram and gram cancel. So here it is 15%. So 15% is sugar. The second one is mass by mass percentage of flour. This will be 420 gram of flour divided by total amount, total mass of the solution. It is 500 gram multiply 100. 100 1 ja 100 5 ja 5 ja 5. Here it is 5 8 ja 40, then 2 5 4 ja 20. It is 84 percentage. 84 percentage is the percentage of flour which is present in this cake recipe. And third one is your mass by mass percent of baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate. So it is 5 gram divided by 500 gram multiply 100. 100 1 ja 100 5 ja and 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. So it is 1%. The 1% of baking soda is present. So in this way we have calculated the first one. Now the second one is about, second part of the question is a brass alloy contains 70% copper by mass. So first it is about alloy. This is a brass alloy. This brass alloy is having two components, one is copper and another is zinc. Copper and zinc. Copper percentage is given as 70% and zinc percentage is not given. Then they are saying that the brass alloy, 120 gram of brass alloy is given. 120 gram of brass alloy. We have to find the quantities of copper. So quantities of copper means amount of copper which is present in brass as per 120 gram of brass alloy. So we have to calculate that amount of copper we have to find and amount of zinc we have to find. So for that, this is the question mark. We know that copper percentage is 70%. 70% means 70 upon 100 multiply 120. Then 10 10 ja 100, 10 12 ja. So what I will do, I have to multiply 7 2 ja 14, 7 7 8. 840 divided by 10. 10 1 ja 10, 10 multiplied by 84. So it is 84 gram. 84 gram of copper is present. And if I want to find out the amount of zinc, so total amount is 120 gram minus the amount of copper, that is 84 gram, so it will be 36 gram. So 36 gram of zinc is present and 84 gram of copper is present in 120 gram of brass alloy. So in this way we will solve this question. Hopefully you will be able to understand about it.